Title: Gesticulate, expressing without words. Meaning: today, we're exploring the word gesticulate. To gesticulate means to communicate or express something through gestures, often using hand movements and body language. It's a way of conveying meaning without words. Pronunciation: pronouncing gesticulate is simple. Gesticulate, with a soft G and a long E. Use in a sentence. For example, when language barriers exist, people often gesticulate to make themselves understood, showing the power of nonverbal communication. Importance: gesticulation is an essential part of human communication, allowing us to convey emotions, intentions, and ideas when words may not suffice. It's a universal form of expression. Conclusion: in summary, gesticulate is a word that reminds us of the richness of nonverbal communication. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, remember the importance of gesticulation in understanding and connecting with others.